Today, my subject is diagnosis of cough. Before going to describe, we must try to know what is cough. Cough is a reflex phenomena resulting from a stimulation of the cough center in the medulla oblongata. The cough is two types. One is without expectoration and other is with expectoration. Without expectoration may be in case of enlarged uvula, pharyngitis, laryngitis, tuberculosis, measles, typhoid, pneumonia, worm infection, and wax in the ear. With expectoration may be in the chronic bronchitis, bronchiectasis, lungs abscess, pulmonary tuberculosis, and the heart disease. So this is the main factor. Then we should try to diagnose the cough. By the cough, you can say the patient is suffering from such and such diseases. Number one, when a patient is suffering from acute dry cough, means there is upper respiratory infection. It may be due to the inflammation of the bronchial. That may due to the exposure to cold drinks, cold food and drinks. The medicine may be belladonna, aconite, Restrex, bryonia. Number two, when the cough is with vomiting, it means patient may be suffering from the tonsillitis or there may be whooping cough. Medicine may be belladonna, Epicock, Calicarb. Third, loud barking cough suggests laryngeal complaint or there may be presence of the trachea by the enlarged gland or tumor may be the present is there. Number four, dry cough. This dry cough which aggravates as soon as the patient going to bed and when the head touches to the pillow, there may be enlarged uvula and there you can think of hyoscyamus, croton tick. Number fifth, the cough with hoarseness may be due to the laryngitis or new growth in the larynx. The medicine you can think like causticum, Rumex. Number six, chronic dry cough without any upper respiratory tract condition suggests pulmonary tuberculosis. There may be tumor of the lungs may be possible. Number 7, short dry cough with pain in the chest which aggravates on taking the deep breath and get emulation by holding the breath. Maybe dry pleurosis. You can think Brownia, Calicar, pulsatilla. Number 8, cough aggravates in winter season after cold exposure. Maybe due to the bronchitis or maybe due to the bronchitis. You can think of Dulcamara, Rustex and Rubex. Number 9, cough aggravates on the changing of position while lying, maybe due to the bronchitis or maybe the pulmonary edema or the tuberculous cavity. You think of Brownia. Cough aggravates in the early morning, maybe due to the bronchitis or sinusitis. Number 11, persistent cough, maybe due to the pulmonary carcinoma. You think of carcinosin, you think of Thuja, Lycopodium. Number 12, cough due to slight exertion, maybe due to the pericarditis or the cardiac trouble. Number 13, cough after meals with abdominal distensions suggest flatulence, dyspepsia. You may think of Lycopodium, Carbovage, China. The cough may be present in the paroxysm. There is 3 paroxysm of the cough: single paroxysm, 2 paroxysm and 3 paroxysm. And the medicine is different. When the patient is suffering from the single paroxysm of cough, you think Calcarea-Car. When the patient is suffering from the 2 paroxysm of the cough, you think Marxol and Pulsatilla. When there is paroxysm of the cough in the 3 paroxysm of the cough, you can think of Cuprum Med and Astenum. In every case of cough, we must take the help of hot water gargle mixed with the common table salt. Patient should advise to avoid to the air condition, damp house, cold drink, and all foods which is grow in the water or near the water. A continued suffering of the cough may be serious after the long time. So, patient must try to remove the cough which is in acute condition. When converted into the chronic condition, that may be converted into the other diseases. So, cough is not a disease. Cough may be attacked with the other diseases also related to the other diseases, and that time you must take the help of homeopathic medicine that will give you complete relief, that will give you cure from the cough. Thanks.